Hey guys, so I'm here today to show you guys how I put on my wig because someone requested I show how I put on my Style Girl wig from my last video. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. Excuse how my hair looks right now. It's just looking a mess. So what I'm going to do first is comb my hair. Well, first, the things that you will need are brushes, like one of these, and you're gonna need some gel. Here I'm using my Eco Styler gel, the olive oil one, this one, and I'm running out. It was $1.99 by the way, $1.99, and I'm running out, so I need to get a new one. So you're gonna need brushes, and I use a stocking cap. This is just a brown stocking cap that I'm going to be using. And yeah, so you're going to need gel, stocking cap, brushes, and you're going to need some bobby pins, maybe. So yeah. And oh, also, you're going to need like a headband. Well, I use a headband, so I'm just showing you guys how I do mine. So this is what I use. I use this type of headband. I bought this one from my beauty supply store, and it was like $1 or so. But this is what I use to put my wig on. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I do. Once again, excuse my hair. It is a mess right now. So brush all my hair back, and I put it in a scrunchie. So with this wig, I don't leave any hair out. So I put it in a scrunchie, like that. And then I go ahead and put my stocking cap on, like this. And then with the bag, just stuff it underneath. I hope you guys can see that. So I'm just stuffing the hair underneath. That way all my hair is up under. Like this. Ooh, I am so sexy right now. Okay. And then what you're going to do is take some of your gel, brush your edges down, brush your edges down. Okay. Brush them down as flat as you can get them. Like that. And then once again, this is the Style Girl wig. The name is Style Girl. I actually got another one. This one is the color 2. Instead of 1, so it's a color 2, and it was $29.99 as you can see, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, and so I'm going to take my wig. So here you go. On the inside you have this comb thingy up front, and then this is how the cap is made. Just like a regular half wig full cap type thing. So these are the tracks, and then it has the I guess the band that makes it stretchy. And then in the back it also has a smaller comb, and then it also has the drawstring here in the back. So you can make it tighter if you want it to be tighter. But my head's pretty big, so I kind of need some room. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And it's really long, like you've seen in my other video. So yeah, so all I do from now is put it on. I kind of put it on to the side, so the comb right here, you can see the comb, it would go like here. Okay, and then bring it to the back, all the way to the back, and then kind of fix it. I'm looking over here because my mirror is over there. So, and this is being recorded on my phone. I'm so sorry because it's such a stressful mess recording from my camera and then trying to upload it to my computer, and then editing is just a hot mess. So this is what it looks like so far. So, and then as you've seen, I kind of took the front hair that were down because I need some volume on top because my head is so big. So took some hair and flipped it to the side. So now, as you can see that band right up front like that, and that's not the look that I'm going for, or that's not the look that no one should be going for. So that's why I take my headband and just put it around my neck first, and then alright, and then take it up over the wig like that. And then this one, I've used it so much so it's kind of loose, so it won't be tight on my head. So what I do is just twist it like that, and then put a bobby pin there to lock it. That way it'll be tighter on my head. Okay. And as you can see, the ugly part is not showing anymore. And now all you want to do is kind of fix it to where you would be comfortable with it. Okay, so you just want to kind of play with it and find out how fits your face best. For me, it definitely has to be to the side like that, and pretty much this is how I wear mine. I hope you guys can see that. This is pretty much all I do for it to look like this. Pretty easy. And then what I do is kind of bring some of my baby hairs up front, just to make it look more natural, like that. Okay, that's all I do. So I hope this was helpful to some of you guys, and I want to thank everyone for the support that I've been getting. Well, some of the support. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.